Hi guys, welcome to the Cooking Center. Today we will be making Snickerdoodle cookies. I'll show you step by step how to make them. Let's get started. Alright, so first add let's first add 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So, grab your flour. And then add a 3/4 cup. So 2 3/4 cups. Then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So grab a measuring spoon. And then take out the 1 teaspoon. Then you're gonna need an acid to go with the base to activate it. So I have 1 teaspoon cream of tartar to make it sour. A nice balance. And then you're gonna want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for contrast. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Okay. And then you're gonna want to grab a whisk and whisk it up. Alrighty. Now we will mix up the wet ingredients. So, for the wet ingredients, you're going to add in 2 room temperature eggs, so 1, 2, and then add a 1/2 cup of salted butter. If you're using unsalted, add in a cup, meaning 1 stick, 2 sticks per cup, and 1 stick for 1/2 cup. You want to make sure it's room temperature, so I'm going to heat this to room temperature. So I'll be back. 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. So there's your 1 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. And then you're going to want to mix up the wet ingredients with a mixer. Get all that butter mixed up and sugar, and add in some vanilla extract, 3/4 2 teaspoons to be exact. Eyeball it. And then mix it. And then add the wet to the dry slowly. Put that back in. Mixing. Okay, then shape these into a ball of dough and then put them in cinnamon. I'll show that in a bit, you guys. And then scoop the dough up into a little ball. And then put it in the cinnamon. This is perfect to bring little helpers in for an assembly line, just like this. So grab a scoop. Dip it in the cinnamon. Put it on the tray. Cinnamon. Put it on your cookie tray. And this is perfect. As I said, if you have a big family, let them all help you out. So I'm gonna go put these all on just like this, and then I'll put them in the oven. Okay, guys, now you preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will put them in when they're done preheating. Now, I'll put these in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. See when they're out. Now they're out of the oven, now I'll try one. Delicious. Subscribe for more. Like if you enjoyed it. See you on the next video.